Ooh, I just read an article about Gen X. We ushered in the internet, rap music,
Mom,
Rubik's Cube,
Mom, every time
swag, all of that. And I never solved a Rubik's Cube until today without just breaking it apart. That's how Gen Xers did it. We didn't have the internet to tell us. We just would break it apart on the bus or like take the stickers off. But I just solved it with the help of
me. And
where are you?
I solved it with the help of a YouTube video.
Right, and now he could just solve it in 30 seconds. Do it, mix it up and solve it real quick. Hurry up! Blah 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 blah.
Okay.
You got.
You can solve it like anywhere on my new one.
Okay, when I come back to you.
He's a day late, but he wanted to say happy birthday because he said, "Well, I didn't call her." So
He's talking to his grandma.
this is Titus the baby. Yeah, so he wanted to call you right now. So
Let's go. You running out of time, man.
What do you mean? There's no time limit.
Okay, go.
I know.
sounds good. I was gonna see if have you guys ever done Google Duo on your phone? I don't know if you have that, but it's like a video. Yeah, we do too. You have a Oh, okay. So we'll see if we can
Oh, their phones don't have internet. Oh, okay.
So we'll do
Flip phone status, cause that's a baby boomer on the phone.
Okay, sounds good.
A baby boomer on the phone.
Did you have a good birthday? Okay, thank you. We love you. Bye. It's too big? Okay, that's fine. Just
Nice. All right, so this is the first day, and I learned the algorithms. Cool.
You learned 3.
Yeah.
Can you record maybe a video of the boys, the twins, like singing or something?
Singing to what? To my mom?
Yeah. Put it
What?
on Facebook.
Okay.
Since she doesn't have Google Duo, we can't video call.
All right.
They don't have smartphones.
All right.
Just a thought.
Send them out here.